try it, you can. If you want to try mother's, father's, sister's daughter. What is up? It's me, Chelsey, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be using a one-step hairdryer / styler brush. So this hairdryer was given to me by my mother's, father's, sister's daughter. For short, my mother's cousin or my grandfather's niece. Just took a bath, and as you can see, my hair is still wet, so it's a perfect time to use this hairdryer. You can adjust it for your preference. So how you use it, just plug it in and then just choose like your desired level. Today I will be using the middle one, and you just comb your hair with it. Brush your hair. And it's supposed to dry your hair with a dryer. So guys, this is how long my hair looks, and it took me approximately 5 minutes to fully dry it. This is very useful when you're in a busy day, because if you go to school with wet hair, your uniform might get wet. So this is very useful and you should use this. If you want to try it, you can go check it out on TikTok shop. So guys, that will be all for today's video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Bye!